Hello friends, myself Rasika Pagaria from Araham College. In last lecture, we were studying about the World Trade Organization. The WTO, as the cornerstone of the multilateral trading system, seeks to improve and strengthen rules designed to promote the expansion of international trade. It is responsible for negotiating and implementing new trade agreements and is in charge of the policy member countries adhering to all the WTO agreement. Meaning, the World Trade Organization is an organization that intends to supervise and liberalize international trade. The organization officially commenced on 1st January 1995 under the Markets Agreement, replacing the General Agreement on Trade and Tariff, which commenced in 1948. Then most of the issues that the WTO focuses on derive from precious trade negotiations, especially from the UGRESI round 1986-1994. When objectives of WTO, the important objectives of WTO are to improve the standard of living of people in the member countries, to ensure full employment and broad increase in effective demand, to enlarge production and trade of goods, to increase the trade of services, to ensure optimum utilization of world resources, to promote the environment, to accept the concept of sustainable development. Then functions of WTO. A new world today body under the fold of GATT was started in January 1995. Then the main function of WTO are as follow: rationalization of trade tariff in member state. In view of the latest globalization and liberalization trends all over the world, WTO is expected to rationalize trade tariff in different countries. Removal of trade barriers. WTO is supposed to make adequate efforts so as to remove trade barriers in different countries which restrict the free flow of goods and services. Amendment of patent rights. Amendment suggested by WTO to Patent Act in India would enable Government of India to grant patent rights to multinationalism for 5 years in agriculture, chemical, parasitamical, etc. WTO action on dumping. WTO ensure that anti-dumping laws are made more precise and specific. Efforts for amendment in government subsidies. WTO would endeavor to rationalize export subsidies in different countries so that only a few countries may not benefit from excessive export subsidies. For example, WTO would try to convince China to reduce export subsidies so that China may not dump low price goods all over the world. Protection of intellectual property. WTO would ensure that intellectual property rights in the field of entertainment, literature, IT software, etc. are protected. Elimination of child labor. WTO would ensure that child below 14 are not made to work as farm labor or labor in weaving and textile industry, etc., as it is an inhuman practice. Influencing migration policies. WTO would ensure that rich countries like USA or European countries would change their immigration policy so as to follow free flow of labor from one country to another. Then removal of restriction on capital flow, then promotion of international cooperation. Then we were studying about the regional organization. In that we first started with the European Union, right? In that evolution of European Union, following point describes the evolution of the European Union. The European Economic Committee EEC had been founded in 1957-58 to oversee the economic integration of the nation of Western Europe. In 1967, the EEC joined together with the European Coal and Steel Committee and the European Atomic Energy Committee to form the European Communities or EC. The success of the liberalized trade and internal market policies sponsored by EEC in 1960s, 70s and 80s made its member more receptive to the greater integration of the EC. Then the treaty enacted created the European Union out of the European Committee. In addition, the European Economic Committee was renamed the European Committee, and the EC Council of Ministers was renamed the Council of Ministers of the European Union. Now moving towards the next point. Oh, sorry. Goal of European Community (EC). One of the major goals of the EC was the integration of its members' economies into a single frontless market that would have a common currency and a common central bank. See, one of the main goal of the EC. एक मेन गोल ऑफ EC क्या था कि अब सब मेंबर्स को इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ मेंबर्स इकोनॉमीज इनटू अ सिंगल फ्रंट एंड मार्केट, जिससे क्या है दैट वुड हैव अ कॉमन करेंसी एंड अ कॉमन सेंट्रल बैंक. The measures the EC took in this regard were obtained by the unanimous consent of its members. See, the measures the EC took in this regard, these were obtained by the unanimous consent of its members. The EC oversaw the establishment of the European monetary system in 1978 to regulate currency exchange rate and aid monetary stability among its members. The EMS, which took effect in 1979, linked the currencies of the EC members country, excepting those of the United Kingdom, Spain, and Portugal, who declined to participate, so as to avoid large day-to-day fluctuation currency rate while permitting periodic alignment. See, the EMS क्या है? It took effect in 1979. सारी करेंसीज लिंक की ऑफ द EC मेंबर्स एक्सेप्ट यूनाइटेड किंगडम, स्पेन, पोर्तुगल, जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट करने से मना कर दिया. क्यों किया ऐसे? सो दैट सारी करेंसी क्यों लिंक की? सो दैट वो डे टू डे फ्लक्चुएशन से ना अवॉइड हो सके. In the interest of encouraging the mobility of labor, restrictions on the movement of labor among the EC countries also were effectively removed. See, in the interest of encouraging the mobility of labor, restrictions on the movement of labor among the EC countries were also effectively removed. Then, structure of European Union (EU). The structure of European Union is described as follows. The European Commission. This super civil service lies at the heart of the Union. It acts as a guardian of the treaty, formally originates all legislative measures, and is responsible for the implementation of all decisions agreed by the Council of Ministers. See, the civil service क्या है? ये क्या है? It is the heart of the Union. जो अपन super civil service की बात कर रहे हैं, ये क्या है? It functions like our main heart. और ये यूनियन का मेन हार्ट है. वो क्या है? इट एक्ट एज अ गार्डियन ऑफ द ट्रीटी. जो भी ट्रीटी है उसका गार्डियन जैसे काम करता है. और ये कहाँ से आया है? फ्रॉम ऑल लेजिस्लेटिव मेजर्स एंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ ऑल डिसीजंस एग्रीड बाय द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. एंड ये किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ ऑल डिसीजंस एग्रीड बाय द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. It has number of direct decision making power in such sphere as the coal and steel industries, agriculture and the environment. See, it has a number of direct decision making power. उसके पास क्या है? डायरेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर है. और कैसे है? इन द स्पीयर एज अ कोल एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज, agriculture and the environment. At the head of the commission is a committee of 20 nominated commissioners who are appointed for 5 years renewal term of office. See, at the head of the commission क्या है? Is a committee of 20 nominated commissioner. यहाँ पे क्या है? 20 nominated commissioner है who are appointed for 5 years renewal terms of office. They are answerable to a president and up to 2 vice president. The European Parliament. The population of this respective constituency for a fixed 5 years term elect Euro MPs. The population of this respective constituency क्या है? ये 5 years के लिए फिक्स्ड रहता है. कितना टर्म रहता है? जो भी इलेक्ट आके आते हैं वो 5 साल तक रहते ही है. Their power have been progressively expanded over the last 20 years. See, उनका पावर क्या है, उनका पावर एक्सपांड हुआ है लास्ट 20 ईयर्स तक. दे अप्रूव द प्रेसिडेंट एंड मेंबर्स designated of the European Commission and may force the Commission to listen through a vote of consent. They approve the president and member designate. किसको अप्रूव मिलता है यहाँ पे, प्रेसिडेंट, और वो प्रेसिडेंट के हाथ के नीचे जो मेंबर्स रहेंगे लाइक कमिश्नर एंड ऑल, उन सबको क्या है, प्रॉपर वोटिंग से ही वो लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे. Nevertheless, on a day-to-day basis, they remain largely a talking shop with the authority to put forward amendments and comment on intended legislation. See, nevertheless क्या है, on day-to-day basis क्या है, they remain largely on a talking shop with the authority to put forward amendment and comment on intended legislature. The Council of Ministers. This central and ultimate decision making body in the union. See, Council of Ministers क्या है, these are the center and ultimate decision making body in the union. अल्टीमेट डिसीजन मेकिंग कैसे, जैसे अपने यहाँ पे भी क्या है, पार्लियामेंट में क्या है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर सारा डिसीजन लेता है, बट वो अपने मन से लेता है क्या, नहीं, ही शुड टेक द डिसीजन विद द कंसर्न ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. तो जो भी डिसीजन लिया जाता है काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर से सहमति के बाद ही लिया जाता है. तो इधर भी यूरोपियन यूनियन में भी ऐसे ही काम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे जो भी डिसीजन लिया जाता है इट इज़ डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. देयर आर in fact many councils consisting of ministers from member state with specific portfolios such as agriculture, transport and social affairs. See, there are in fact क्या है, many councils, यहाँ पे क्या है, बहुत से councils हैं consisting of ministers from member state with specific portfolio. अभी यहाँ पे जो council of ministers है वो अलग अलग फील्ड के रहते हैं, लाइक एग्रीकल्चर, ट्रांसपोर्ट, सोशल अफेयर्स, देन कोई इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड से रहता है एंड ऑल. नो डायरेक्टिव कैन बी इशूड और अमेंडेड अनलेस इट इज एग्रीड बाय द काउंसिल. सी, नो डायरेक्टिव कैन बी इशूड और अमेंडेड अनलेस इट इज एग्रीड बाय द काउंसिल. द काउंसिल इज सर्विस्ड बाय अ नंबर ऑफ meeting working groups operated by the committees of permanent representative in Brussels. See, the council is क्या है, the council is serviced by a number of meeting working groups operated by the committee of permanent representative in Brussels. Their job is to ensure that the ground is prepared for council decision and that the appropriate fine tuning of legislative document is carried out after council meeting. See, उनका जॉब क्या है, their job is to ensure that proper सारा council decision दे, appropriate सारे documents रहे and the meeting, council of meeting is carried out in a smoother way and in a better way. The European Council of Justice, ECJ. The European Court of Justice, उसको ECJ, not to be confused with the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg. See, not to be confused. देख आपको ये यूरोपियन कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस अलग है और यूरोपियन कोर्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट इन स्ट्रैसबर्ग दोनों अलग अलग हैं. द ECJ based in Luxembourg is a guardian of the directive and regulation adopted by the council. See, the ECJ based in Luxembourg is the guardian of the directive and regulations adopted by the council. Its job is to be the court of last resort and it turn to make its decision based upon the pursued intention of the legislator rather than just the letter of the law. See, its job is to be the court of last resort. ये क्या है, ये लास्ट में कोर्ट यूज़ करना है. जैसे अपने यहाँ पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट काम करता है वैसे ये कोर्ट इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे काम करता है. इट टर्न्स टू मेक इट्स डिसीजन बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिस्यूड इंटेंशन ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटर. अभी अपना डिसीजन किस पे देता है, लाइक पिछले रिकॉर्ड्स क्या थे लेजिस्लेटर में, पिछले क्या हुआ था, हाँ, rather than just the law of letter. सिर्फ law of letter नहीं. Only one judge is given and no dissenting views are public. See, only one judgment is, सिर्फ यहाँ पे एक ही जजमेंट दिया जाता है और ये जजमेंट कोई बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिश वगैरह इधर उधर कुछ भी नहीं होता है। द कोर्ट्स डिसीजन आर फाइनल एंड टेक इमीडिएट इफेक्ट। सी, ये कोर्ट्स डिसीजन क्या है, फाइनल है एंड इट टेक्स इमीडिएट इफेक्ट अनलेस द ECJ हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड अपॉन टू एडवाइज अ नेशनल कोर्ट ऑन पॉइंट ऑफ लीगल इंटरप्रिटेशन। सी, द कोर्ट्स डिसीजन आर फाइनल, ये कोर्ट का डिसीजन जो भी है फाइनल है एंड इट टेक्स इमीडिएट इफेक्ट, और जो भी ये डिसीजन देगा उसका तुरंत डिसीजन पे अमल होना शुरू हो जाएगा अनलेस द ECJ हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड अपॉन टू एडवाइज द नेशनल कोर्ट ऑन पॉइंट ऑफ लीगल इंटरप्रिटेशन। एडवाइजिंग द कोर्ट आर नाइन एडवोकेट्स जनरल हु आर प्रिलिमिनरी रूलिंग ऑन ईच केस। से अभी कोर्ट को एडवाइस वगैरह करने के लिए सब कुछ स्मूथली काम हो इसके लिए देर आर 9 जजेस, एडवोकेट्स जनरल है, who look at the case and all. Their opinion are published in advance of important cases and the courts frequently rule in line with their advice. See, their opinions are published in advance. उनका जो भी opinion रहता है it is published in advance of important cases and court क्या करता है, frequently rule in the line with their advice. In 1989 a lower court was added to the ECJ. 1989 में क्या हो गया, एक और कोर्ट ऐड हुआ था ECJ के लिए। द कोर्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस हियर ऑल इन 1899 अ लोअर कोर्ट वाज एडेड टू द ECJ। द कोर्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस हियर्स ऑल इन 1989 अ लोअर कोर्ट वाज एडेड टू द ECJ। The court of first instance hear all staff cases and number of complex submissions under completion law. See, फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस क्या है, हियर ऑल स्टाफ केसेस, यहाँ पे सारे स्टाफ के केसेस वगैरह सुनते हैं और बहुत से कॉम्प्लिकेशन सबमिशंस वो भी प्रॉपर अच्छे से देखे जाते हैं। नाउ अदर इंस्टीट्यूशन, द यूरोपियन सेंट्रल बैंक, द प्रिंसिपल इंस्टीट्यूशन मेंटेनिंग प्राइस स्टेबिलिटी इन द यूरोजोन। सी, द प्रिंसिपल इंस्टीट्यूशन मेंटेनिंग प्राइस स्टेबिलिटी इन द यूरोजोन है ये। द यूरोपियन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक, its purpose is to ensure that weak region and sector are given assistance in order to develop more in line with EU norms. उसका purpose क्या है, to ensure that weak region and sector are given assistance in order to develop more in line with EU norms. Court of Auditor, this body audits the accounts of the European Union. This is an office established by the European Parliament to investigate complaints of the maladministration. See, ये क्या है, this is an office which is, ये एक ऑफिस है जो यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट ने एस्टैब्लिश किया है ताकि जो भी कंप्लेन आए, जो भी माल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की कंप्लेन आए उस पर ये प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर सके। देर आर ऑल्सो नंबर ऑफ एडिशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस सर्विंग द मेन डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस। उसके अलावा क्या है, बहुत से एडिशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन भी है जो मेन डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस पे काम करते हैं। द फॉलोइंग एडवाइजरी बॉडीज हैव अ सिंबॉलिक rather than substantive role in overall decision making process. The following advisory bodies क्या है, have a symbolic rather than substantive role in the overall decision making process. The Economic and Social Committee, this is composed of representative former employer association, trade unions and consumer group से। ये किससे बना है, this is composed of representative from employees association, trade unions and consumer group. The committee of the region, this was established to ensure that locally elected representatives are consulted on EU policies and legislation. See, ये क्यों एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था, ताकि जो लोकली रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है आर कंसल्टेड अपॉन EU पॉलिसी एंड लेजिस्लेचर। द यूरोपियन यूनियन EU legislative machinery. A wide range of legislation in 39 policy area is now adopted under a process called the co-decision procedure. See, a wide range of legislation in 39 policy area is now adopted under a process called the co-decision procedure. This involves a proposal from the Commission being subject to two readings before the Council and European Parliament. से this involves a proposal. इसके अंदर क्या है? Proposal है from the Commission being subject to two readings before the Council and the European Parliament. If the parties disagree, the Committee of Ministers and Parliamentary is formed to hammer out a compromise. See, if the अगर पार्टी मानती नहीं है तो कमिटी ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स एंड पार्लियामेंट्रीज दिया क्या है, दे आर फॉर्म्ड एंड हैमर आउट द कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस, और जो भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज है थोड़ा बहुत करके निकल जाते हैं आगे. If they still cannot resolve the differences, the council may nevertheless adopt their next unless parliament reject it by an absolute majority. See, फिर भी अगर रिसॉल्व डिफरेंसेस, जो भी डिफरेंसेस है अभी भी अगर सॉल्व नहीं होते हैं तो काउंसिल क्या है, मैं नेवरदलेस अडॉप्ट द नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट अनलेस पार्लियामेंट रिजेक्टेड बाय एन एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी. पूरी मेजॉरिटी से जब तक रिजेक्ट नहीं करते तब तक दे गो ऑन डूइंग इट. देन मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द फंक्शंस ऑफ द यूरोपियन यूनियन. Functions of the European Union are as follows. Creation of closer relations. Creation of closer relations. The function of European Union is to enable closer relation between the member states. See, the function of European Union क्या है? Is to enable closer relation between the member state. This is in order to make the most of the collective ability of the member state. This is क्या है? In order to make the most of the collective ability of the member state. For example, free trade, freedom of movement, freedom of job choice. It enables a lot of bureaucracies that used to be involved with those issues to be used by past. See, अब यहाँ पे क्या है? It enables the bureaucracies to involve those issues that were in the past. में भी ये issues चल रहे थे, उस issue पे भी वो बात करते हैं. The European Union was also formed as a counterbalance to the position of the United States as the only global superpower. See, the European Union क्या था? Was also formed as a counterbalance. क्यों form हुआ था? It formed as a counterbalance to the position of the United States as the only global superpower. We saw with the war on Iran that the majority of the European Union stood up to the United States. See, we saw with the war on Iran. Iran पे जो war हुआ था कि बाबा majority of the European Union stood up to the United States. The European does not belong to anybody. See, इससे तो clear होता है कि European Union क्या है? It does not belong to anybody. Each member state has to stay in the running of the European Union. See, each member state क्या है? Has to stay in the running of the European Union. The EU was formed mainly out of the need for stability in Europe. See, EU क्यों form हुआ था? Mainly for the need for stability in Europe after the Second World War. It was a product of first economic agreement which still form the main base of today's EU. इट तो क्या है? ये एक प्रोडक्ट है of first economic agreement which still form the main basic of today's EU. To pass good laws and to scrutinize and control the use of the executive power is the important function of EU. See, to pass good laws and to scrutinize and control the use of executive power is the important function of EU. It is performed through European Parliament. ये कैसे चल रहा है? It is performed through European Parliament. It is the directly elected democratic expression of the political will of the peoples of the EU. See, it is the directly elected democratic expression of the political will of the peoples of the EU. It is the largest multinational parliament in the world. Then moving towards the guardians of the treaties. This function is performed through court of justice. ये फंक्शन कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं? थ्रू द कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस. It provides the judicial safeguard necessary to ensure that the law is observed in the interpretation and applications of the treaties and are generally in all the activities of the union. ये क्या है? It provides the judicial safeguard जो necessary है that the law is observed in the interpretation and application of the treaties and generally in all the activities of the UN. The decision of the court have made community law a reality for the citizen of Europe and often have important constitutional and economic consequences. See, ये decision जो भी decision court लेती है it has been made out of the community law और citizen of Europe को वो मानना ही पड़ता है और ये उनके constitution में important role play करता है and it has some economic consequences also. Okay, we'll finish this. Chalo. Maintaining trade relationship. It functions as a manager and executor of the union policy and international trade relation. See, अभी उनका function क्या है? ट्रेड रिलेशन मेंटेन करने के लिए क्या है? मैनेजर एंड एग्जीक्यूटर ऑफ द यूनियन पॉलिसी एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड रिलेशनशिप. The committee of the region is established not only to respect religion and local identities and prerogative but also to involve them in the development and implementation of EU policies. See, the committees of the religion क्या है? Is established not only to respect regional and local identities and prerogatives but to involve them in the development and implementation of EU policies. The next is the financing. European Investment Bank is the European Union financing institution. See, European Investment Bank क्या है? Is the European Union financing institution. It provides loan for capital investment, promoting the union's balanced economic development and integration. See, what it does? It provides loan for capital investment, promoting the union's balanced economic development and integration. The EIB is an enormous, flexible and cost-effective source of finance. See, ये जो EIB क्या है? It is enormous, flexible and it is the cost-effective source of finance. It is the largest international financing institution in the world. ये क्या है? ये one of the largest international financing institution in the world है. We'll wind up our topic here. In next lecture, we'll start with the SAR. Right? सार के बारे में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में अपन पूरा पढ़ेंगे. देन फिर ये एशियन आएगा और उसके फंक्शंस है. दैट्स इट. एशियन और सार के बारे में अपने को सारा एंड लास्ट वन इज द ब्रिक. ये 3 टॉपिक कंप्लीट हुआ तो अपना ये बुक खत्म हो जाएगा. Meanwhile, you can read the topic well. If you have any doubt, you can mail me on my mail ID. My mail ID is rasika.pagaria@arahamedu.in. Thank you.